This question is from James, who asked, "Bro, what happens if all the oceans suddenly disappeared? And not slowly, not over years. I mean gone, instantly. Like someone pressed delete on 1.3 billion cubic kilometers of water." James, what kind of alarm clock do you have? Who wakes up and thinks, "Yeah, let me remove the entire ocean today"? But fine, since you asked, here's what really happens. And trust me, you won't like the answer. The first thing you notice is silence. Not peaceful silence, empty silence. The kind you feel inside your chest. Because the moment the oceans vanish, Earth loses its voice. All the waves, all the wind, all the sounds tied to water, gone. The Pacific Ocean, the largest thing on Earth, is now a giant dry bowl. The Atlantic is a cracked canyon. The Indian Ocean looks like someone lifted the water out with a giant spoon. You're standing on land that humans were never supposed to see. Deep trenches that go 11,034 meters down. That's like dropping 14 Burj Khalifas on top of each other. And believe it or not, that's the normal part. Because now the air starts to break. The oceans control humidity. Without them, humidity drops from 70% to under 5% in minutes. Your lips split, your eyes sting, your skin feels like hot sand is rubbing against it. It's the first time the atmosphere feels like it's rejecting you. The oceans normally absorb 90% of the sun's heat. Without them, that heat hits the ground and reflects straight into the air. Cities jump from 30 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius in minutes. Some places shoot past 70 degrees Celsius, which is literally skin-burning temperature. Meanwhile, Antarctica collapses to minus 40 degrees Celsius because it depends on warm ocean currents. Earth becomes a planet of extremes. Frying pan on one side, deep freezer on the other. But the real nightmare starts when the sky gives up. Clouds vanish, rain disappears, wind stops moving. The entire weather system dies in less than an hour. You look up and the sky is clear. Too clear. No clouds, no wind, no signs of life. It's like Earth forgot how to breathe. Trees start dying within hours. Plants need humidity and rainfall. Both are now zero. Grass turns yellow. Forests turn brown. Leaves don't fall, they crumble. And at this point, you might think it's only land life that suffers. Nope. Marine life dies instantly. All 2 million ocean species, gone in seconds. Whales collapse on the dry ground. Corals bleach instantly. Fish suffocate in air that was never meant for them. But the biggest collapse? Plankton. These tiny things make 50 to 80% of Earth's oxygen. When plankton dies, your oxygen drops fast. Breathing becomes harder. Your chest feels tight. Deep breaths hurt. Human oxygen intake falls below survival levels within a day. And from space, Earth no longer looks like the blue planet. It turns brown, cracked, dry, like a dried-up fruit. The oceans were Earth's skin. Without them, the planet looks naked and sick. By the end of the first day, humans are struggling to stay alive. Heatstroke, dehydration, low oxygen, dust in the air. People start building shelters not for comfort, but for survival. Outside becomes dangerous. Too hot, too dry, too little oxygen. All of this from removing something we take for granted, water. So James, here is the real answer. If the oceans suddenly vanished, Earth would turn silent. Heat would explode past 70 degrees Celsius. Antarctica would freeze to minus 40 degrees Celsius. Oxygen would drop by 50%. Weather would die. Plants would collapse. Animals wouldn't last. Humans would survive only inside sealed shelters, and the beautiful blue planet would become a cracked brown ghost. The oceans aren't just water. They are balance. They are oxygen. They are temperature control. They are life support. Remove them, even for one day, and Earth stops being Earth.